Hi, Jules gang. Ada Atayibo in the building, and you know what it is. Yay! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. And today is a whole different vibe, like I always tell you. Today we are going to be cooking up on something. But before we get into the business of today, I'll be reading some comments. Hmm. I will be reading some comments from my faves, from my people. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate every effort you guys make to click and watch. You know easy. So let's get into the business of today. But before that, so yeah, I'm reading this one from Maureen Okrapo. Ada, winner never quits and quitters never win. You're a winner. Your hard work has paid off. Of course, our hard work must surely pay off. Oh, if not, we are not sleeping. Yes, thank you so much, Maureen. And then from my one and only, Abidiva, she said, "My baby, proud of you." Thank you so much, Mama. I really appreciate. And then this one is from Ella Augustine. She says, "You're a winner. I am so like this means a lot. Like I'm motivated, you know." And then so let's read from the Vavel Saloon. She says, "Adaku baby girl, I'm a proud friend. Thank you so much. I know this one. Thank you so much. I really appreciate." So yes, guys, for me to always read out your comments in every video that I make, you have to, of course, leave a comment in this comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends and family. So yes, getting into the business of today, I'll be showing you how to straighten the hair. But first of all, you need a brush, a straightener, hair clip. You need oil, of course, something for shine, and then of course a comb for parting, and your hair, of course. So yeah, so getting into the business, first of all, because I want to like take the hair layers, like layer after layer. I want to take it according to the layers. So I'm just going to take this one up, you know, and then I'll clip this here, and then comb parts. Just take a little bit of oil, you know, just very little. Your hair don't need too much oil, something for shine. And after that, the parts. So you do same thing for the other side. Make sure you comb, because you know this hair has some little flakes around it, so you need to so I'm still trying to part before I straighten. You know, in order for you to get a well laid straightened hair, you have to part according to the way it's it's been sewn actually. So after this, I'm just going to put my oil again. For that shine. So I'm now coming to part again. Please don't forget to leave your suggestions and what you think. A lot of people actually don't like when they use oil or stuff on their hair, but for me, I like to use a little bit of shine, not too much, because if the hair is really not original, you're going to shrink the hair with so much oil on it. So whenever you're doing that, you need to try your best to make sure that you are straightening with human hair and with oil too. Get the best oil, because some oils are really not good for weave. But for now, this is my fave olive oil from Vital. So this is the frontal area. So I'll just do this with the clip, and then add a little bit of shine, and then I comb and I straighten. Make sure to get into the areas where the straightener, can get the hair laid. So yes, don't forget to comb after straightening so that you can take off the extra hairs that are not needed. Okay, so this is how I straighten my hair, how I keep my hair looking all neat. But a lot of people like me really don't like too much when the hair is too perfect, because it's hair, of course. Come on, I like to so with this part, I always want to take the hot iron and take it down from the root so that we can get a well laid front hair. So I'm just going to pat it again and do it again, just so that this place can be well laid. So this is a closure, right? This hair is, you can't even compare it with this other side, because come on, your hair should be this smooth and neat, you know. So moving on, let's straighten the other areas and other parts of the hair. Sister, if you have good hair is good, oh. You better get a good hair. And we sell good hair too. So two drops. Boom, boom. Hey, how do you keep your hair neat? How? Like, how else did you keep your hair looking neat and flawless, you know? Yes. You know, I like to go over it the second time because the straightness has to be flaky, you know. That's how neat and sleek your hair should look. We then finish up the frontal. Okay, so we are almost done. We are on our way to finishing this whole straightening. So with the, like, you see, with the front hair, I like to make it come down this way, so that way I'm going to put in my straightener right from the bottom part of the hair, like from the root, you know, and then I take it all the way down, just like that. And then I like to go again, you know, so that that place can be well laid. Can you see that? So now you can't even compare that part with this, because here you see the difference between this place and this place. So let's finish this up. So whenever I'm done straightening the whole hair like this, I actually brush it, you know, to put everything in place. Wow, this hair is looking nice. From all the not looking good to looking nice all of a sudden. So yes, this is how I straighten the hair. So when I actually keep my hair neat, zim it down. Yeah, you're right. Then which one is Inshira then?
I like that. That's she. Mine is Erin.
Ah, okay. I see. Nice. So, our hair is all neat, all laid, all slayed, you know, all fresh. How would you like it? So, if you like this hair and you would want to own this hair, don't forget, I'll leave the link and I'll leave my Instagram handle for hair in the description below so that you can also purchase this hair at a very affordable price. Okay, so if you love this hair, hit me up and you get some.